This is Isometric K, and the approach I'm going to use here is kind of brute force, in which case on the front origin plane I'm going to make a, let's see, about to write maybe there. I'm going to make a sketch like that, and then I'm going to extrude back that way and make a bounding box of the whole thing. And then once I get that made, I'll put a sketch here, the purple, and then I'll extrude in 3 and take that chunk out here. That leaves me with just the corner here, so for that I will put a sketch on this face that'll be appearing after that second extrusion, and I'll make a triangle that looks like that. Okay, that's a right angle, and then I'll extrude it the way out and make that corner. So the first step is to do the bounding box. That's going to be 8 wide by 6 high by 5 deep. So let's make that one 8 by 6 by 5. So I do need to make a new part studio, and I'm going to rename that one Isometric K, like so. Let's put a sketch on the front plane, so I'll click there, press N, use the corner rectangle tool to have a width of 80 and a height of 60, and I'll accept that. Shift 7 so I can see it better. Let's get the planes out of the way, the origin planes, and I will extrude away from me a distance of 50. Alright, so that's the red part. Now I'm going to do the purple part, so that's going to be 6 wide by 4 high by 3 deep, constrained in the upper right. 6, 4, 3. So let's put a sketch on that face. Press N, use the corner rectangle tool, fix one corner in the upper right, pull out over this way, and that's going to be, was it 60? 60. Was that right? 40? Yes. And I'll accept that. Shift 7. And I'll extrude, remove a distance of 30. Okay. Now I'm left with the green sketch. So this is going to be a distance 2 from that corner right here, and then go down to that point. So put a sketch here, press N. My first line is going to come and be coincident with that corner and go up somewhere there, and we're going to be at that corner. And the only dimension I think I need to make is associated with the width of it here, like this distance here to that distance, I believe is 20. And let me double check that. Yeah, 20 right there. So now I can do another remove extrusion. This time I want to go through the whole thing, and there it is. So let's see what the volume is. Well, I get 152,000, and I can't remember what I got before, so if that's not correct, please let me know. So this is, again, isometric. Don't forget to do this step, because that's the actual part name. And there we go. That is Isometric K.